Now let's create a tabular model using analysis services for further analysis of this database. So let's use for that purpose Visual Studio. Let's create a new project. We are going to use, look, we have here tabular model and multidimensional model. So tabular model essentially is not a multidimensional model. It is a kind of mix. Tabular model works faster because it's placed on memory. So creating tabular models makes sense if your database is small and can be run on memory. So moreover, tabular model is in some cases easier to create, and it has a good performance. I want to say that it is not the same cube, but in any case, you can do your analysis by more than one dimension. So you can let's say view your sales by category, by year, by territory. So this functionality is enabled in tabular model also. So you can use both of them. It depends on the case. Now let's load the database. Our database is on SQL Server, but here we have other sources also. So let's pick up SQL Server database. Server name is Azer and database is, let me paste this here. Okay. Let's now we are going to select all tables on which we are going to work. By the way, we have here a function select related tables. Let me see how it will work. It will select tables which are related to this, but let me see, it will take all appropriate tables or not. Let's say if you have many tables and don't want to go one by one and select, you can use this function. Okay, let me stop this and go ahead. So sales data is fact table, others are dimensional tables. Let's load. We can transform also, but let's load. We can close this, and now we see that all tables are loaded. By the way, we can delete, add, or hide some columns from this model. For example, this one is payment card, data about users' payment cards, and let's say we want maybe send this to another person outside from our company, and we don't want them to see this data, we can just hide that. We can add here columns also, but now let's for now go ahead and create measures. Let's see what we have: employee ID, customer ID, product amount, quantity, or product ID, customer ID. Okay, let me create a measure for quantity. By the way, measures significantly boost performance in various analytics tools, in Excel, in Power BI here, and can also help decrease memory usage. So let's write some. We use here a DAX language. So sales data amount, okay. Oh, sorry. I placed that below quantity. I can move this to here. Now actually total amount, and here I need to write total quantity. Let's write so sales data, and here we need to choose quantity. Let me rename this and write total amount. Okay. Now monthly marketing expenses total. Let's write here total expenses, and let's do some sales data, and here monthly marketing expenses. Okay, then we can have here also average quantity. Let's say maybe we want to see average quantity of particular product in different month. So we can write here average and write here sales data quantity. Sales data and select quantity. We can write here again average sales amount, because this is sales amount, average sales data amount. Let me rename this. Right, what's the problem here? Let's write here sales, again sales amount, then total expenses. I can write here average expenses, and write average sales data monthly marketing expenses. Okay, so we have measures here. If you see there, those are placed in this section. Then I can go ahead and deploy this solution, or I think, let me, for example, yes, I can hide this. Let's say, let me hide this one. Okay, I can go ahead and deploy this. Let me show this also. This is a diagram where you see here are the relationships between tables. So I can go ahead and deploy this. Deploying means that we want to uh, push this data to analysis services. So let me open up analysis. This is analysis server. Let me go to databases. Look, we don't have here Tabular project 11. So let me deploy these. Now I can go to analysis service and refresh that. Now we see that we have here our project was Tabular project 11, and we see that here we have new Tabular project 11. Let me open up what we have here, tables. Here we have tables, and we can get access to this data directly from here. Also we can bring this into Excel spreadsheet, and we can choose here rows, set rows, and we can open up that in Excel, or we can get access to this database also from Power BI or other sources. From Excel we can go to data and get access from here, from analysis services, choosing from analysis services. So but now for now let's go ahead. Let me show how we can use, what's the benefit of this model. We can, let's say, select cat or product name. Select product name. Can have here product names. We can have here also, let me go to measures and bring from measures total sales amount. So you see we have product and sales amount. Now we can analyze by year. Let me, where is calendar table? Oh, here we don't have years. Okay, that's better that we don't have. Let me go ahead and I will have an opportunity to show something else. Let's insert column. Let's extract years from dates. Here we have dates. If you remember, here we have starting from 2013 up to 2026. Let me write here year. So now we have years also. Let me go to Excel spreadsheet and refresh this pivot data. So when we refresh, we will see here year. Let me put here years. So you see now we have product names, actually total sales amount by product names, by year. We maybe we might be want to put here also customer names. So you see those are customer names, years, and product names. Now let's read something from this spreadsheet. Let's say Apex Technologies bought from us this product in 2014. So now let me show the same result got from our SQL Server. So let me write select. So we're going to select some amount, okay, from sales data as S. Then we're going to join customer as C on C dot customer ID is equal to S dot customer ID. Then we're going to join calendar table. Calendar table is CT on CT dot date is equal to S dot transaction date. Or is transaction date. Okay, so we're going to select from here C dot customer name as well. Group by C dot customer name, and let me write here also actually year CT dot date and having C dot customer name is equal to Apex Technologies. And CT dot date, let me write here CT dot date is equal to 2014. By the way, I forgot about product. Let me join product table also join. So join how it was written, product or products. So products sp on p dot product ID is equal to s dot product ID, and here we need to write that p dot product name is equal to air fryer. Let me copy this, put it here, and of course I need to group by also p dot product name, and I want to see here p dot product name. Let me run this query. We see that the same amount we got here, 68,720. So you see what we did here. We got sales amount by product, by customer, and by year. So this is for analysis. This project is for analysis, and all possible combinations of aggregated measures we already have. And that is one of the benefits of creating tabular and multidimensional models. So I created a tabular model this time. I will go ahead and create a multidimensional model as well. That's all for this topic.